For my next video, I'm going to do one on the new Galaxy Samsung Watch Ultra 2. And this is just an unboxing. Very simple video, just to show you what you get with the watch. Okay, so I will do a more in-depth video next, but this is a sharp watch. I mean, this really, I like the Ultra before this one, but this one is a definite 100% upgrade. You'll love it. Okay, so we have two pull tabs to open up the box. And let's see, is there anything? Yeah, there's, let's see what we got in here. Nothing on that side. Out warranty. Nothing special on the other side. We have our charging puck, and yes, you can use last year's, but this one is super fast, or fast charging. So this is the only one that's going to do a fast charge. The other ones will work, but this one charges faster. So, okay, there we have the watch. And I opted to get mine in silver. And it's not really a solid silver, it's kind of an off silver. And then the band, I call it OD green, but the band is sharp too. I mean, it really, after wearing it for about a week, it doesn't sweat, it doesn't, and it's hot where I'm at right now, and it's not one of them kind of bands you have to loosen and tighten, and it doesn't feel right, but it's sharp. I really enjoy it. And I just want to show you how to put these on. You push, click, it goes on. Same with the other side, push, click, on. So that's my video. It's just going to be, like I said, a simple unboxing. I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Thank you for your time, and until next time, I'm out.